So if you're facing such problems like this, so to fix this, what you have to do is to just scroll a little bit and try to search for the name of the app. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap over here. Then when you get to the app info, tap on first stop, tap on OK, tap on permissions, and make sure you allow every permission over here. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. After doing this, go back and tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions. Then after that, make sure background data is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store and try to update the app. So after updating the app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. So when you tap on your power button for some while, select restart, then tap on OK to restart or reboot your device. When this problem is still not getting fixed, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to set for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on network and internet. Then after that, tap on mobile network, tap on the network. So after selecting the network, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced, then it scroll and tap on preferred network and select this network type. So after selecting this network type, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. Then after that, select restart to and tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed.